Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative and integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area of the circle by integration with radius is r. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we have the formula of the circle. Now we need to write about this one. So this one we have r, negative r, and negative r. So if we look carefully, we need to find a half of the circle in here. Later that we multiply by number 2, so we can find the total area of the circle. First, I will put about s square go to the right. So we choose about the positive equation. So when we put the square root for the both sides, we have y equal to the square root of r square minus s square. Now, the area, we want to find the area of a half of the circle. Because this is about the half, so we need to multiply by number 2. Now we can apply the formula to find the area under the curve in here. So from negative r to positive r. And we put this one go in here. Now we need to find this integration in here. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to r sine theta. Because if I put this one go in here, we have r square sine theta square, r square and r square. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine theta square we change by cosine theta square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to r, that is in here. So I will put r go to here, and we have r and r. We divide both sides by r, and we have sine theta equals to number 1. So theta in here equals to b over 2. Now similar for the negative. So this one, we have number 2 in here. So negative r we change by negative b over 2. This one we have positive b over 2. So we have r square minus. This one we have r square sine theta square. And the s we change by r cosine theta d theta. R square and R square we can do about factorization. So the square root of R square we have R. This one we change by cosine theta square. The square root of cosine theta square we have cosine theta. R and R we have R square, we put outside in here. This one we have cosine theta square. Next we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go in here. Number 2 and number 2 we simplify. And this one we have cosine 2 theta plus 1 b theta. The integration of cosine 2 theta we have 1 over 2 sine 2 theta. Number 1 that is about theta, and we put the bounds from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. And I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So if we simplify it, we have R square multiplied by b over 2 plus b over 2, and we have b r square, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.